Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code with Khan Developer. Today we are going to learn advanced styling in CSS. We will cover three interesting topics: gradients, box shadows, glassmorphism. These techniques makes your website look more modern and professional. So let's get started. First, understand CSS gradients. Gradients mean a smooth transition between two or more colors. Instead of using one background color, we can mix multiple color beautifully. Open VS Code. I'm creating here div, giving it class name box. Let's style it this box. I'm giving it width and height 250 pixels. Background linear gradient. To right, blue, purple. Now you can see instead of a single color, the box changes smoothly from blue to purple. This is called linear gradient. Different gradient direction, left to right, top, bottom, diagonal, using degrees. You can change direction, angle, colors to create beautiful backgrounds. Now, let's understand next point, box shadow. Box shadow is used to create a shadow around an element. It makes the UI look modern and attractive. Now, I'm adding here box shadow. Understand this line. First 10 pixel means horizontal shadow. Next 10 pixel means vertical shadow. Third is 20 pixel. It means blur. Fourth, gray means this is shadow color. Now the box look more attractive. See output. Box shadow creates a soft professional shadow which is commonly used in cards. Let's understand glassmorphism. Glassmorphism is a modern UI design that creates a transparent glass effect. It is commonly used in modern websites and mobile apps. Writing here div, giving it class name glass. Reflects, justify content, text aligns, height 100 VH, background linear gradient 135-degree, blue, gray. Understand this. Width is 300 pixel, padding is 40 pixel, background RGBA makes the background transparent. Backdrop filter blur creates the glass blur effect. Border gives a glass outline. Border radius makes corner smooth. Now the card looks like transparent glass. Today we learn three advanced styling techniques: gradient, box shadow, glassmorphism. Know how to create beautiful gradients, professional shadows, modern glassmorphism effect. Practice this concept and try changing the color shadow values, and blur amount yourself. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, comment your favorite effect, subscribe for the next CSS lesson. See you in the next video.